All of you suffering from thyroid conditions, whether it's diagnosed or maybe you're just suspicious of it, you have a lot of the signs and symptoms, you gotta listen up. If you don't think your stress, and we are inundated with stress, emotional, physical, and chemical stresses all cause stress responses in our body, elevating cortisol, primary stress hormone from your adrenal gland, which is on top of your kidneys and your abdomen, right? So here's the things that you're not told and no one's looking at. Okay, so high cortisol inhibits thyroid stimulating hormone being released from your brain. So that's going to cause potentially low thyroid stimulating hormone. Okay, so if you don't think stress and the adrenal glands are intimately related to your thyroid dysfunction, you might need to rethink this. Okay, high cortisol also reduces the conversion of T4 to T3. And if you don't know what that means, T3 is the active form. So T4 is released from your thyroid gland into your body, and it needs to be converted into T3 to be used, right? So for metabolism, for energy, for all the things that these hormones do. So high cortisol also increases what's called reverse T3. This is hardly ever looked at in a normal panel. So reverse T3 actually blocks T3 receptors. So then that active T3 can't even get into your cells to do its job. These are the kind of problems we need to investigate, we need to uncover, and hardly anybody's looking at. So all of these things in summary, stress responses in your body, whether it's actual stress or even perceived stress. If you're a worrier, if you're up at night kind of ruminating on the day, if you're stressed about finances and kids and relationships, and if you're not living a clean, healthy life and you're inundated every day with chemical toxicities and all the stuff in this world, in our food, in our water, in our hygiene products, y'all, this is why functional medicine is what you have to look into, all right? Because it's comprehensive. We're not just looking at the thyroid gland, because it's hardly ever just the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is just reactive. It's reacting to all of these other things going on in the body, right? I hope that makes sense to y'all. Book a consultation with me so we can just chat about your issues, chat about your struggles, because I can promise you there is hope, there are answers. We just need to dive in and find them. See y'all later.